In this video, we will see how to export your LocalCoinSwap Litecoin private key and access your wallet in Electrum-LTC. Download Electrum-LTC wallet from the official site and open the program once installed. Go to File and click on New/Restore. Give a name to this wallet and click Next. Since we are importing the private key from LocalCoinSwap, we'll choose the third option, which is Import Litecoin Addresses or Private Keys. Then click Next. You will be prompted to enter your Litecoin private key. Let's export it from LocalCoinSwap. Navigate to your LocalCoinSwap Litecoin wallet. Click Export. It'll prompt you with a warning to make sure no one else sees your screen because you risk losing your funds if your private key is exposed. Click on Show Private Key button to reveal the private key. Copy it. Once copied, paste it in the Electrum input. Then click Next. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a password. This is optional. We're going to leave it as blank and click Next. Navigate to the Addresses tab within Electrum. Here, you'll find a single Litecoin wallet address. To ensure this is same as your LocalCoinSwap Litecoin wallet, copy the address and verify it against the address listed in the LocalCoinSwap wallet interface. They match.